didn't borrow my strength, I earned every ounce. I'm the heavy 808 that's bringing the bounce. I don't owe no favors to the rich or the fake. I'm a standalone beast that they never could break. I own my own muscle, I own my own mind, the baddest solitary outlaw that you'll ever find. Table is bare, eyes everywhere, teeth in the dark, watch the mark. You got the coin, I want the loin, grab the knife, take the life. Ripping the meat, take it all. Watch the big man start to fall. Ripping the meat, greeted by nothing left but the cold of the night. Finger on the trigger, pocket gets bigger. Friend is a word I never heard. Take the gold, leave him cold, sealed in the eye. Let him die, ripping the meat, take it all. Watch the big man start to fall in the meat, greeted by nothing left but the cold of the night. Bone snaps back, no share, no care, just a greed, just a need. Ripping the meat, take it all. Watch the big man start to fall in the meat, greeted by nothing left but the cold of the night. My bed, your pit. My bed, your pit. Gold in the sack, knife in the back. One for the bread, two for the dead, three for the lock, four for the shock. You count the gain, I count the stain. Hand in the till, kill for the thrill. Counting the teeth, pay the price. Cold as the grip of the mountain ice. Counting the teeth, take the lie. Leave the body in the sun to rot. Sure. count the teeth, pay the price, cold as the grip of the mountain ice. Count the teeth, take the lie, leave the body in the sun to ride.
You're the sons of the grit and the cold, born with a splinter right through the soul. From the Georgia pines to the Texan smoke, with a heavy-hearted bloodline of the broken and broke. Daddy died when I was 15, so I took a job down at the plant. Then my big brother had to leave me, left for Afghanistan. We are the sons of the grit and the cold, born with a splinter right through the soul. From the Georgia pines to the Texan smoke, with a heavy-hearted bloodline of the broken and broke. My old man, he used to say, son, never let the sun go down on your anger. And I try to do the best I can to forgive and forget all the people who wronged me. And Lord knows I've had a few, but I don't lose sleep over things I can't change. But I'm only human, so if you're coming for me, you best be ready. If you're looking for vengeance, start with the dirt. One for the killer and one for the hurt. The iron is cold and the hole is so wide, there's plenty of room for us both inside. They've ever seen. The king of the lowlight, the lord of the lean, the best damn trouble that they've ever seen. When they ask them about me, they smile and shake their heads, 'cause I get them coming and going in their own bed. I'm the good, bad idea, the breaking and the fall, the one their mama told them to never call. I'm the last thing that they know they should. I don't need a single friend, I don't need a single hand. I'm the most dangerous weapon in this lawless land. I don't need a single friend, I don't need a single hand. I'm the most built to outlast. So far away, I hear you calling from your place in the hay. With my cloven hose and my arrow tip tail, if I can't have you, I'll see you in hell. I've been ridden too hard and I've been driven too far, but I still know the way. I never was a brave man. I never was. A coward in a charlat's hand. A coward in. They knew me as the low man. Low man. You knew me as a low man. But in the end, I was the last man standing. But in the end, I was the last man standing. The bridges all burn. Let the towers all fall. I'll be standing on the wreckage, standing 10 feet tall. The system couldn't hold me, and the chains couldn't bite. I'm the lone wolf victor of the ultimate fight. Surveying all the damage with a calm and steady eye. I'll be my own man till the day I finally die. Devil knows my name, every road sign spells it out. Devil knows my face like a rumor, like a doubt. I keep driving past redemption, past the shame, past the blame. But wherever this highway ends, devil knows my name. Saw a cross by the shoulder, casted flowers, rusty gate. Pull over just to feel how heavy mercy weighs. Was a flask on the dashboard, was a letter I never sent. Tore it up at the border, what I meant. Devil knows my name. I stand unbroken. I stand completely free. The most dangerous man that you're ever gonna see. Defiant to the bone. But I love the thrill of living in the gray area where we might get killed. And if you aim to shoot, then you'd better shoot to kill. We're dancing in the crater where the world used to be, just a ghost of a man. Like a tailored suit, sharp and clean, but it hides the truth. Every scar and stitch inside where broken men like me reside. They're still chasing peace of long at night. The mirror shows a man refined, but not the chaos like behind a double life I learned to play. Smiling light, decay and gray, and count my sins at the end of the day. Heavy solitude sits on my chest tonight, like a ghost that whispers I'll never be right. Still waters don't calm what I hide inside. I drink to forget, but the truth won't die. And God stays silent while I slowly collide. Got rust in my veins where the blood used to flow. Got holes in my heart where the cold winds blow. Worked myself down to the bone and the dust. Now all that's left of me is rust. Son asked me why I never smile. Said, son, I've been running this mile since before you drew your first breath. Working myself toward an early death. Don't do what I did, don't live like this. There's a whole world out there that you'll miss if you spend your years chasing someone's dollar, breaking your back inside someone else's collar. They call it working class pride. I call it slow suicide. I got rust in my veins. With the silence, I hunt with the night. I don't need your approval to know that I'm right. A circle of one is the strongest of all. I'm the lone wolf standing while the empires fall. I'm the lone wolf standing while the empires fall. And the black sheep company drink from the Nile and all the wisdom in between. Takes a while to know what it means to be a better kind of free. Whoa. Yeah, I howl at the moon 'cause I know what it means when I don't. Who will? I run with the silence. Blood on the briar, there's sweat on the stone. I'm an unkillable bastard, walking out here alone. seen too much of what love can do and what it does to us. When you lose yourself in the ecstasy, you're just killing yourself for the fantasy. When you lose your soul in the devil's delight, you're just digging a hole and you'll never see the light. I've always been an independent man, but that black-eyed woman is the one who holds my hand. Stretch me out then, bake me dry in the sun. I'm a hard-hearted bastard who has only begun. Rawhide resilience, a bone deep might, the king of the day and the lord of the night. Oh, a little bit of burn and a whole lot of hope. A love that is heavy and a love that is bold, with a whiskey-soaked kiss, and an ironclad fist, I'm the only temptation that you can't resist. A little bit of burn and a burn and a whole lot of hope. A love that is heavy and a love that is bold, with a whiskey-soaked kiss and an ironclad fist. My brother's in jail and my sister's on pills, and I haven't seen either of them in a year. And I never had kids, 'cause I'm still one myself, and I like being by myself. No subjects to rule, and no taxes to pay.